Today we're gonna guess where to use like and where to use as. So let's get started. Firstly, we're gonna see at like what are the properties of like. If in a sentence you see a noun and a pronoun, so you have to use like. And if in a sentence you see over here noun plus verb or pronoun plus verb, you have to use as. Okay, today we are gonna also look at some examples. The first example you can see here, she eats slash a bird. A bird is a noun, so it is gonna be like. Okay, like. The next is she eats slash a bird eats. Over here you can see there are noun plus verb, so it is gonna be as. Okay, as. The next is she sings slash an angel. Angel over here angel is a noun, so it is gonna be like. She sings like an angel. The next sentence you can see here is he behaves slash a child. Child is also a noun, so it is gonna be also like. Okay, the next is she cooks slash her mother. Yes, mother, her mother. This is a pronoun. Yes, a pronoun. So it is also gonna be like. Okay, the next is I must speak slash he does. He over here and does are, yes, pronoun, noun plus verb, so it is gonna be as. Okay, as. The next is stop acting slash a silly clown. A silly clown. Clown over here is a noun, so it is gonna be like. The next is I will do it slash you said. Yes, you over here you and said are pronoun plus verb. Pronoun plus verb, so it is gonna be as. The next is we talk slash they talk. They and talk is gonna be pronoun plus verb, so it is also gonna be as. The next is we talk slash them. Them is a pronoun, so it is gonna be like. The next is he runs slash a sprinter. Over here the sprinter is a noun, so it is gonna be like. I hope so you enjoyed and learned well and guessed like or as correctly. Bye for today.